Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Teachable to launch your first online course, full guide step by step clearly. To get started with Teachable, first, visit the Teachable website. Click on the Get Started button. You will need to create an account. Fill out your name, email address, and a password. After entering your information, click Get Started free. Check your email for a verification message from Teachable. Open the email and click on the verification link. Once verified, return to Teachable and log in using your credentials. Now you will see your dashboard. Click on Create Course to start building your first course. You will be prompted to provide a course title. Enter a descriptive title that reflects your course content. Next, add a subtitle that captures the essence of your course. You will also need to choose a category for your course. Select one that best fits your course topic. Upload a captivating course image to attract potential students. Click Save and Continue to proceed. You'll then be directed to the Curriculum section. Here, outline your course structure. Add modules and lessons based on your planned content. Click Add Module to create a new module. You can rename it to fit the topic you will cover. Next, add lessons within each module. Click Add Lesson to create lessons under your selected module. Choose the type of content for each lesson. You can upload videos, create text lectures, or use quizzes. Make sure to upload your videos and media to your lessons. Once your curriculum is complete, click Save Changes. Now, navigate to the Settings tab in your dashboard. Here, you can adjust course details like pricing and enrollment. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.